friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Smiti and in today's video I'll be telling you about the pros and cons of the different types of kajals and eyeliners. I hope this video is helpful to you if you're planning to buy any of this or you are confused between the different kinds of kajals and eyeliners. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before that, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel and want to come back again, do hit the red subscribe button. So primarily there are 6 types of kajals and liners that are available. The first one are these retraceable ones which are so common. This is the Lakme Eyeconic kajal. This is the Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes kajal. Then you have the Maybelline Colossal one, which is so very common. Now these are soft, they glide on well on your waterline. They are so affordable, they are easily available in market. They are super apt for people who are starting with makeup, who are on a go for an everyday basis. They are really good. Now the cons are they aren't usually waterproof. They do smudge and you have to take care when you're twisting them, because if you don't take care they are going to break. If you twist them a lot and you apply pressure, then also they are going to break because they're really very soft. So these are apt for people who don't want to experiment a lot with liner looks and just want kajal for everyday use. So the next types of kajals are the pencil kajal. Now this is the Miss Claire Soft Kajal Eye Pencil. This is very affordable. If you want something in the range of 500, then the Plum Kajal is so very famous for being jet black. High end, the MAC kajal. Now the pencil kajals are usually very soft, they glide on well, they are waterproof, they are smudge proof. You can sharpen them and get different looks like a liner, but that is one of the cons as well. You have to sharpen it, so you have to get a sharpener, and there is always a bit of product wastage each time you sharpen, and that is one of the cons of the pencil kajals. The next type of kajal or liner are the felt tip liners. Now I have this Glam 21 high tech eyeliner. I have also tried the Maybelline felt tip eyeliners. Now felt tip eyeliners are like sketch pens. Their tip is just like a sketch pen, so it's super easy to work with them. So if you're a person who is just starting with makeup, want to get some beautiful looks, but still hasn't got control on brushes and all, then this is just your lifesaver. This is like a pen and like a sketch pen that we used to draw when we were kids, and you're just drawing on your eyes, so it's so good. The only thing that I don't like about felt liners is that they dry up. Like relating to the same thing, the sketch pens used to dry up. Okay, similarly these also dry up very quickly, so you have to take care. You don't have to ever get this like dropped or kept it like this, otherwise it will dry up very soon. So felt tip liners, yes, they stay on for the whole day, they are waterproof, they don't smudge. Super good if you are just starting with makeup. Type are the wax ones. I have this Blue Heaven liner, which is blue. It says liner, but it is actually a kajal. It's in a waxy form, so it's just apt for being used as a kajal. It cannot be used like a liner because you cannot sharpen it, you cannot get a tip, so you cannot work this like a liner. Now they do smudge, and actually they are very good for making smoky eyes and all. They do smudge, they blend. They don't stay for a very long time, and if you just want a kajal for an everyday look, you don't want to get into the hassle of sharpening and or trying out different looks, then I think you should go for the waxy kajals. Liquid liners. Now I have these L18 liquid liners in black, green and grey. You also get that Lakme liquid liner, which is so affordable. Now I have been using these liners since years and I absolutely love them. Now liquid liners are not very apt for beginners because you have to have a control on the brush and then only you can get those looks, otherwise they get very messy. Now because they are in a liquid form, they take some time to settle down and dry, but once they dry, they stay on. They don't smudge, the pigmentation is good. If you're using the colored liners, the color literally shows off. Liquid liners are apt for people who want to experiment with makeup and who want to invest some time in practicing and getting hold of the control, and then only you can work with the brushes. And last but not the least, the last type of kajal and liner are the gel ones. I have this Maybelline Super Stay Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner in black. It comes with its own brush and they are usually in this small pot form. This is how the gel liners look like. They are in a gel-like consistency. You have to have a very good control on this brush, then only you should try gel liners. And if you get that control, believe me friends, these are the best types of kajal and liner you can use. Gel liners are super matte, they stay for a very long time, they are waterproof, they are smudge proof. You can try different looks with that. The pigmentation is absolutely bang on. The only thing that I don't like about gel liners is that they dry up really quickly. You have to be careful. You have to get this spot always tight, closed, otherwise they dry up like hell, and then it is really painful to see that dried up gel liner. You have to try. It is not for beginners, I would say, but if you're a person who definitely want to get that look, get that bang on liner and kajal, try it, practice it. Once you will become a pro, and then this will definitely be your favorite kajal and liner of all time. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and comment down below your favorite type of kajal. I would love to know that. And with that, spread the smiles.